Introducing the 2026 Ram 1500. The Ram 1500 delivers gritty towing capability, passenger-focused comfort and safety features, and surprising fuel efficiency. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, head-up display, intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, panoramic roof, lane departure warning, turbocharged engine, navigation system, keyless entry, four-wheel drive. Relax and enjoy getting the job done right in the strong and dependable Ram 1500. Come in for a test drive.